Never thought that I'd fall in love, 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 love. But it's gonna go hush, 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 hush.
Ito naman ang patikim ni Craig David sa hit song niyang Insomnia. Excited na si Craig sa kanyang greatest hits concert bukas sa Big Dome.
It's gonna be fun. I can't wait to jump on stage tomorrow. It's gonna be great.
Ang unang single ni David na Fill Me In ang nagluklok sa kanya bilang pinakabatang solo male singer sa UK. Habang bumenta ng lampas 7 million ang kanyang debut album na Born to Do It. Sa edad na 27 years old, marami pa siyang gustong magawa sa larangan ng musika. Nagpapasalamat naman siya sa suporta ng kanyang Pinoy fans, kaya may magandang regalo siya.
It's very flattering, you know. It's nice to see how powerful music can be. We're going to Autograph signing on Saturday, which will be fun.
Gretchen Pulido, Patrol ng Pilipino.
Hindi ligtas sa mikrobyo maging ang